What's going on, guys? All right, we are in the middle of a live trade at the moment. So I took this long setup right here. It was off of our wide term trend channel. We are in a very strong uptrend, even though it looks like prices are just kind of weakly going up. When the bars are this small and we're just at a nice 45-degree angle, it really shows that the trend is actually, in fact, very present, and only we should be looking for longs at the moment. So once we reach the bottom side of the trading range or the trend channel, we had a new high here. We had one leg down. We had a break of it and a new low, and we also had a second entry long. So we went down. We had a first entry long. We went down again. Second entry long. Nice bullish signal bar. I went long right there. My scalp portion was made, and now I'm just in a runner. So I'm going to trail it one tick behind every swing low. So as we see here, if the next bar prints above the previous one, I'm going to trail my stop loss just right behind it like that. So we haven't broken above the bearish bar right here, so it's technically not broken above there, but I'm just gonna keep my stop loss there for now. But if we go down, I'll probably just keep it here because I am a little bit more aggressive when it comes to the runners, and I like to at least give myself the opportunity to get the 20, 30, or 40 point runners, which is $1,000, $1,500, or $2,000 for a single contract. If you scale up or multiply it by how many accounts you have, depending on what platform you're trading on, then you can see how the money can really stack up. So now prices are just moving pretty slowly. It seems like we are just actually trying to target the previous high from yesterday. So this 3971.5 level, if we break above there, then we should really see some strong movement. So that's why we're just slowly approaching that level. We made it a couple points away from there, but I think that's what traders are really trying to target. So let's see if we get up to about this level right here, and then hopefully we break above it. Okay, if we break above this level, I'm going to trail my stop loss right behind the swing low, which is a good spot to have it, especially because this 21-day EMA is now above our stop loss. And as we see, when we have had these nice moves up before this short-term correction, we're bouncing at this EMA and we're holding several times, meaning that the bulls are still present in the market and the bears cannot break below the EMA. Here they did, but we obviously already had the break and a new low, and now we're back in this uptrend. So hopefully we can break this level and then keep trending higher. We've been in a massive downtrend the last few days, so we're bound to have some bullish correction. Let's see what happens. And if we also draw this little mini wide term trend within the wider term trend channel, we had a break of it. So we are expecting to test this high. And if we zoom out, we see that this midline of this wider term channel, if you see this gray midline, we're just playing on it back and forth. We have many touches confirming that this trend channel is valid. So let's see what happens if we break above this level. We have one more tick to go. So I do only have 3 points secured as a runner right now if prices do come back to hit my stop loss. So it is a bit risky considering I could lock in 8 points right now. But like I said, I like to just allow myself the opportunity to get the really great runners. And we have broken 1 tick above this swing high. So now prices could come back and correct. Hopefully it'll give me another opportunity to have a swing low where I can trail my stop loss even higher. But once again, we only have a couple more points until the high from yesterday. So hopefully we can touch there and keep working higher. All right, guys, and as we see, we have continued to trend higher. We're still a couple points away from that high of yesterday. So like I said, hopefully we can keep working towards that. And then honestly, the uptrend looks very strong right now. So I'm very happy that I didn't take out my runner. So now we are having slight correction, which is normal. Hopefully we'll test the EMA and then continue working higher. But I really don't want prices to come back and hit my stop all the way here, obviously. So we just gotta wait and hope for the best. Okay, and now we see that we are having a nice bullish bar. So if we continue working higher, I'm gonna trail my stop loss just 1 tick below this current bar that is printing. So if I bring it up to here, that is 7 points secured, which is very great considering this entire move so far has just been 10 points. So 70% of this move is very great. And if we break above, I'm going to keep my stop loss here, but might as well just leave it here for now. And like I said, we could test this EMA once again, but if we work higher, it just shows that even the bulls or the bears weren't even strong enough to test this EMA, because as we see the bar, it's a couple ticks away. We have a lot of selling pressure at this key level. So every break of the key level, it's just going to send prices that much higher. But obviously, prices don't just go up in a straight line. We have to have some breaks and corrections along the way. Okay, and now we've officially broken out, so I'm leaving my stop loss there for sure. 7 points secured, $350 just for one single contract. And we are approaching that exact price level from yesterday's high. So this previous bar that closed is actually at the same exact tick as the high from yesterday. So 39.71 and a half. If we go back to yesterday, same exact price level. So hopefully we can continue working higher, and we finally broke out. And I'm actually going to trail my stop loss again up to here, because this bar did make a new low. So currently 9.25 points. I'm very happy with that. If we come down and take my stop loss, I'm happy that I locked in my profits. If we keep working higher, it is what it is. And it looks like we are going to come back and take my stop loss out, but it's all good. Very good money for one trade. See you guys in the next one. Have a good one.